Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our tutorial on the 1790 Conga Castle battery. In this video, we'll guide you through the maintenance process, ensuring your equipment operates at its best. First, let's gather the necessary tools. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver, a flat head screwdriver, a soft brush for dusting, and a microfiber cloth for cleaning. Make sure you have these ready before we begin. Now, let's start with the exterior. Using the soft brush, gently remove any dust and debris from the surface. This step is crucial as it prevents dirt from entering the internal components. If you encounter any stubborn spots, lightly dampen your microfiber cloth and wipe them down. Remember, avoid using harsh chemicals that could damage the finish. Once the exterior is clean, we can move on to the internal components. Carefully unscrew the battery cover using your Phillips head screwdriver. Take your time here to avoid stripping the screws. If you're unsure about this process, don't worry. We offer a professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you can get expert help if needed. With the cover removed, inspect the internal wiring and connections. Look for any signs of corrosion or wear. If you notice any issues, it's important to address them promptly. If you don't have the tools or experience to handle this, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it convenient for you to get professional assistance. Next, we'll check the battery itself. Carefully disconnect the battery terminals, noting their positions for reassembly. Use your soft brush to clean around the battery compartment. This helps maintain good contact and prolongs the battery's lifespan. After cleaning, examine the terminals for corrosion. If you see any, use a mixture of baking soda and water to neutralize it. Apply it gently with a cloth, and then wipe it clean with a damp cloth. If you're unsure about this step, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. Our team is here to help. Now, let's reconnect the battery. Ensure you attach the terminals securely, matching the positions you noted earlier. This step is vital for the safe operation of your Conga Castle battery. Once everything is reassembled, replace the battery cover and screw it back in place. Double-check each screw to ensure they are tight but not over-torqued, as this could damage the casing. Finally, perform a functionality check. Power on your Conga battery and ensure all components are working correctly. If you encounter any issues, remember, no calls, no travel, just a simple solution with our professional services at your fingertips. And that wraps up our detailed tutorial on maintaining the 1790 Conga Castle battery. Following these steps will help you keep your equipment in top shape, ensuring you get the best performance for your music or event. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.